In today's video, I'm going to share with you 12 in-demand soft skills that employers are looking for. So if you want to have an idea what your employers are looking for, stick around and make sure you watch this all the way to the end. I'm going to tell you where I found them, and I'm going to tell you those soft skills in order so that you have the context of what I'm talking about. Hello, my name is Oyinka Akimade. I'm a confidence coach and a workplace strategist, and I help people gain the confidence and visibility they need to progress in their careers and attain leadership positions, and as also help businesses with their teams who want to achieve similar goals, including confident communication and improving soft skills. And in today's conversation, I'm going to talk about 12 in-demand soft skills as of May 2022. Okay, and by the way, if you're looking to master confident communication, I have a course that'll be helpful to you. So check that in the description below. So most of you already know what soft skills are. They're the skills you need to communicate with other people or to relate with other people so that you can achieve your goals. And according to this particular platform, ZipRecruiters, this is where I got my data from. They a platform, for those of you who don't know what ZipRecruiter is, it's a platform where job listings are posted. So, and majority of ZipRecruiter's listers are based in the United States, just for context. Now, according to ZipRecruiters, they did an analysis of the data they have, and this is current as of May 2022. They did an analysis of the soft skills that are listed the most, and they came up with about 20, but I'm just going to keep it till 12. Because I drew the line at where it had over 1 million or more of those soft skills that are listed. So I'll start from number 12 and I'll go all the way down to number 1. Now, some of the soft skills, pretty obvious. We all know they're soft skills, but there may be some of those ones that I will list here that do not or may not necessarily strike you as being a soft skill, but if you think about it, you need your soft skills to really excel in this area. So let's go straight to it. Coming up at number 12 is attention to details. And according to ZipRecruiter, they had 1 million job listings where they were looking for candidates who have a great attention to details. So if this is you, then you're in luck. Go ahead. This is one of the sought after soft skills in demand. Now, coming up at number 11 is problem solving skills, which was listed 1.2 million times. Now, flexibility comes at number 10 and interpersonal skills comes in at number 9, and those were listed 1.3 million times. Now, if you want to read this article yourself, I'll also leave the link in the description below. Coming up at number 8 is ability to work independently, which was listed 2 million times. Now, this is where it gets funny because coming up at number 7 is compliance. And originally, when you look at compliance, it's a technical skill that technicalities involved to become a compliance officer, to become a compliance manager. And I did not necessarily think that would be a soft skill in itself, but thinking about it, it's still dealing with people. And according to ZipRecruiters, employers listed compliance 2 million times in their job listing. So yes, compliance, according to ZipRecruiters, is a soft skills that employers are looking for. And I did go into some of the listings myself just to see how they listed it. They were in the same line as some other soft skills. So you look at a job listing and it says, candidate must be good with conflict resolution and compliance. So yes, some of them were listed together with other soft skills. Coming down at number 6 is analytical thinking, which was listed 2.7 million times. And then project management was another one, which is a technical skill, but according to ZipRecruiters, was also listed as a soft skill, and it was listed 2.8 million times. And that's coming up top of the soft skills in demand. Again, project management came at number 5. 2.8 million times. Now, at number 4, you have time management skills, which was listed 3.6 million times. And, this makes sense. You want to be able to manage your time and even manage other people's time, especially if you're in a position of authority. Number 3 was kind of funny too. It says scheduling. I was like, soft skill, but yes, according to ZipRecruiters, scheduling was listed 5 million times. And that came up at number 3 as of 2022. So those of you who schedule people, who manage scheduling, that is a soft skill. And if you're already doing it and you're looking to go into another position where scheduling is a major part of that job, you need to know how to make sure you are representing this aspect of this skill that you have in your resume. Coming up at number 2, customer service. It was listed 5.5 million times. Look, a lot of jobs are people facing. So definitely it's understandable that customer service is not only a job title, but it's also a soft skill where you're able to relate with customers and clients professionally and to reach probably a mutually beneficial outcomes. And then coming up at number 1, to no surprise, is still communication skills, which was listed 6.1 million times. Now, there are 3 things that I take out of this list. Number 1, soft skills are important. And even the co-founder of ZipRecruiter even mentioned it, he stated this in this article that 93% of employers see see soft skills as an important or as a crucial skills that they want to see in the candidates applying for jobs. The second takeaway is you have to know how you're going to include soft skills in your resumes, and even during your interviews, you must know how you're going to demonstrate that and show that so that people reading your resumes or people interviewing you can immediately see that you have those skills, and that may put you in a favorable light. And that leads me to the third take home point, and that is you must know how to customize all your skills, both soft and hard skills, to meet the employers. So if you're looking for a job, look at the job description and see how you can customize what you can do and the skills you have to meet the job requirement, and make sure that you are able to demonstrate it and you have examples that can show this, because obviously these are jobs that these are skills that employers are looking for. So once again, the 12 soft skills on demand: attention to detail 12, 11 problem solving skills, 10 flexibility, 9 interpersonal skills, 8 ability to work independently, 7 compliance, 6 analytical thinking, 5 project management, 4 time management skills. Coming up at the third spot is scheduling. The second spot is customer service, and the numero uno, to no one's surprise, is communication skills. So I hope this has been helpful to you and will help you brush up on those skills and know how you're going to show them in your resume so that it is obvious. Now, if this video has been helpful to you, please hit the notification button and subscribe so you will know when I share other videos that are similar to this ones. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.